Hey guys, welcome to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to use blur effects in CapCut app. Let's start. At first you have to open your CapCut app. Now tap on new project. In here select the video that you want to add in your timeline and then add it to your timeline. After that, the thing you have to do is to tap on effects and then tap on video effect. Here you have to search blur and then you guys will find out a lot of blur options, and today I'm going to use this blur close and you guys can find out the result soon. This is what you can get if you use this effect. Now you guys can write the text, then your text will show on the screen more clear. And the viewers can find out it easily if you use this blur effect. Let's use another blur effect, and in here I'm going to search blur again, and then let's use this blur effect, chroma blur. It will focus on spot and then it will make the other spot blur. And in here for the intro you guys can use this effect. It is not a blur effect but it is kind of like blur effect. This is called diamond zoom effect. If you make it short at the intro, then you guys can find out blur happening at the intro. Now let's customize it. So this is how you guys can use blur effects in your video by using CapCut app. See how easy it is? We put lots of effort every day through videos to make your life better. If it helps, please subscribe and like. Until next time, bye bye.